Now we are discussing about economic terms. In that today we are discussing about net value added, NVA. Net value added is the value of output less the values of both intermediate consumption and consumption of fixed capital. How do you calculate net value added? Net value added at market price, NVA at MP, value of output, that is sales plus change in stock minus intermediate cost, that is purchase of intermediate product minus depreciation, is equivalent to 700 plus 40 plus 4 minus 400 plus minus 80,000, that is rupees 260,000. That is an example. And what is an example of value added? The addition of value can thus increase the product's price that consumers are willing to pay. For example, offering a year of free technical support on a new computer would be a value added feature. Individuals can also add value to services they perform, such as bringing advanced skills into the workforce. And the next point is, what is the meaning of net value? A net value is the resultant amount after accounting for the sum of difference of two or more variables. In economics, it is frequently used to imply the remaining value after accounting for a specific commonly understood deduction. And next point is, what is value added, how it is calculated. Value added is equal to selling price of product or service and the cost to produce the product or service. For example, if a pair of bows sells for $57, that is $58, but costs are $20 to produce, then the financial value will be added as $40. That is the example. And the next point is, what is the net value in accounting? What is net book value of assets? Net book value, also known as the net asset value, is the value at which a company reports an asset on its balance sheet. It is calculated as the original cost of an asset less accumulated depreciation, accumulated amortization, accumulated depletion, or accumulated impairment. And next point is, what is net and gross example? For example, a person earns wages of $1,000 and $3,000 in deductions are taken from his paycheck. His gross income is $1,000 and his net income is $700. A person's net income figure is more important than his her gross income, since net income reveals the amount of cash available for expenditures. And next point is, what are examples of value added services? Live streaming, location based services, missed call alerts and voicemail box, mobile advertising, mobile money and m-commerce based services, mobile TV and OTT services, ringtones, online gaming, and all these will come under value added services. And next point is depreciation an expense. Depreciation is used on an income statement for almost every business. It is listed as an expense and so should be used whenever an item is calculated for year-end tax purposes or to determine the validity of that item for liquidation purposes. This is the information regarding net value added. Wishing you all the best.